Asus brought me out to Computex 2026 here in Taipei to check out some of their exciting upcoming laptop releases. The new Vivobook S14 and S16, the Zenbook 14, and the ProArt P14 and P16. The ProArts have the new NVIDIA RTX Spark chip, which has easily been one of the most talked about announcements so far here at Computex. The Zenbook 14 is a gorgeous little laptop with the lightest Snapdragon model weighing only 2.4 pounds. The lid on the chassis is made from aluminum, which is exactly what it sounds like, a durable blend of aluminum and ceramic. They're beautiful to look at. They've got a great texture. These are designed to be anti-scratch, anti-wear, and anti-smudge. These are releasing in 3 different colors, including Komodo Coral and my personal favorite, Arctic Blue. There will be models available powered by the latest Intel, AMD, and Snapdragon processors. The version I got hands-on with was the Snapdragon X model, and it offers up to 21 plus hours of battery life, support for fast charging, and a super convenient all-in-one adapter. These have an enlarged smart gesture touchpad, a 1.7mm key travel keyboard, and a dual speaker audio system. Not to mention a beautiful full HD 60Hz Asus OLED display. This is very thin, very light, the hinge is easy lift, and it somehow still feels durable. And it's packed with ports too, including 2 USB-C plus USB-A, a full-size HDMI port, and a full-function audio jack. The Zenbook 14 feels like a great little device designed to move with you throughout your day. The new Vivobook S14 and S16 are powered exclusively by Snapdragon X processors with up to 45 TOPS NPU performance. These are Copilot Plus enabled as well, and Asus Performance Mode supports up to 30 watts TDP to keep things running smoothly even under heavier workloads. The Vivobooks are a slim, full metal chassis that start at only 1.49 centimeters thin and 2.87 pounds light on the 14-inch model, and they meet MIL standard 810H for durability. Designed primarily for students, these come in light blue and matte gray. These two have a gorgeous 1610 OLED display with 300 nits of brightness with up to 100% DCI-P3 coverage, which makes these great for creative work. They offer up to 25 hours of battery life with fast charging that can take you to 60% charge in as little as 49 minutes. And you get a very full set of I/O no matter which version you go with. 2 USB-C, 2 USB-A, a full HDMI 2.1, and a combo audio jack. After carrying a 16-inch laptop with me all week, the 14 was definitely my favorite of the two. I've only recently started doing a lot of my daily work on laptops again, and I've been blown away by how thin, light, and powerful these have become over the past few years. The Vivobooks are both great-looking units packed with features and designed to really support you throughout your day, regardless of whether it's time for work or entertainment. The talk of the show so far has been the new NVIDIA RTX Spark chip. It has a Blackwell RTX GPU with 6144 CUDA cores, 5th gen Tensor cores connected via NVLink to a high-performance 20-core NVIDIA Grace CPU. It is a staggering amount of power on a single chip, and that's exactly what you'll find in the new ProArt P14 and P16 models. If you know ProArt, you know the design language is top class, very professional, and these are no exception. These will be available in Nano Black or Neo White, and they've got anti-smudge coating, which I absolutely love. The 14-inch weighs about 3.26 pounds, and the 16 comes in at roughly 3.9. These use the Asus Lumina Pro OLED display with up to 1600 nits peak brightness, 3840 by 2400 resolution, and 120 Hz refresh rate. This display is Pantone certified, it has VESA HDR True Black 1000, variable refresh rate, Dolby Vision, and touch support. It is loaded with I/O. 3 USB-C, 1 Type-A, an HDMI 2.1, a combo audio jack, and a standard SD card reader. It has a haptic touchpad, the keyboard feels great, audio is Dolby Atmos with 2 tweeters, 4 woofers, and 3 microphones, and it has Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4. It's just loaded, and everything you touch feels super premium, but the real story here is power. You can get these models with up to 128 gig of onboard unified LPDDR5X memory. There are 2 Gen 5 M.2 slots for storage and up to a 2 terabyte Gen 4 drive included. Being powered by the RTX Spark chip, these systems are designed to handle agentic AI. So you can do a ton of AI-driven workflows locally, directly on your device with pretty astonishing performance. And of course, that performance carries over into other areas as well, like creative work and even high-performance gaming. With all that power, these include a 99.9 watt-hour battery. The AC adapter is 140 watt Type-C. A lot of the RTX Spark-powered devices are still very much shrouded in secrecy here at the show, so we still have a lot to learn about the day-to-day performance and the battery life, but being such a ProArt fan, this is the laptop I've been the most excited about so far at the show. Estimated availability is slated for fall of 2026. We still have no word yet on pricing, but I'll be keeping a very close eye on this one. With laptops being something I'm just starting to get back into, I still have a lot to experience, but I'm very impressed that Asus's lineup seems to have something for everybody, every workload, every lifestyle, and they're all designed to support you and move with you throughout your day as effortlessly as possible. Big thanks again to Asus for sponsoring my Computex Computex 2026 coverage, and stay tuned for more from Taipei.